Daily Dems, doing the work, making noise, and fighting back, day 83. Grace Meng will be this week's Repping the Rep. She is part of the Progressive Caucus, and she represents New York District 6, and I hope you enjoy getting to know her over the course of the week. She had a big win this week. 2 weeks ago, she sounded the alarm about funding cuts for the Manufacturing Extension Partnership, and 2 days ago, the cuts were reversed. This is the power of those letters people say are a waste of time. Last night, Maxine Waters announced in this press release that she will be headed to El Salvador. We will get details likely at latest Monday. Sydney Kamlager Dove spoke at a rally for Stay in LA, which is an organization fighting to keep the film industry in LA, because that's one of LA's biggest economies. And we also learned that her mom was part of the industry and she grew up in it. So this isn't just about her constituents, it's about her too. Richard Blumenthal wrote a letter to the administration, demanding the administration stop revoking student visas. He followed that up by joining the protest at University of Connecticut and doing a press conference with the mayor at the New Haven Town Hall. Chuck Schumer met with LGBTQIA+ elected officials in New York to strategize how to protect the queer community. My favorite part of this post is the fact that he included the A. He's one of the first electeds I've seen in a while include the A. It unfortunately wasn't included in anything official during Biden. That kind of recognition matters. Eric Swall will be hosting an empty chair town hall in Kevin Kiley's district. This is one of those Republicans that made more than just the local news because constituents made so much noise. And now they finally get to speak to someone who does have their best interest at heart. And finally, we have today's protests, which I'm calling the 1 if by land, 2 if by DC rallies. These are the people who posted on their own accounts. This is in no way all the electeds who attended a protest today. We have Suhas Subramanyam, Lori Trahan, Kelly Morrison, Pat Ryan, Ed Markey at what looks like some sort of Revolutionary War reenactment, which is now more a protest than a hobby, and finally Seth Moulton. So as usual, we have so many fighters doing so much good work. Don't let anyone convince you otherwise. If you made it to the end of this video, comment with a toilet, because my favorite sign that I saw at today's protest included one. Our voices are our superpower, but only when we use them.